Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to block websites on Firefox. So, unlike the Google Chrome, Firefox doesn't have this feature built in as something that you can easily access through options. So, what we do instead is we're going to give you some options on the add-ons side of things where you can easily go on and you can restrict access to certain websites. So let's get right down to it. As I have explained before in previous videos that you can go and check out, we have this thing called add-ons, which is the equivalent for extensions or whatever else other browsers call it, which give your browser certain abilities. So we want to install an add-on or an extension that gives our browser the ability to block certain websites. We go on the menu, this three little bar thing right here, and then we go on add-ons. It looks like a puzzle piece. Now, you want to go on extension. Now, on add-ons, you can see that we have got this menu here, search add-ons.mozilla Firefox, or find more add-ons. It really doesn't matter which one you go with. I'm going to go to the official application store. Now that we're here, Firefox browser add-ons, I have the search bar here that says find add-ons. I'm going to say block site. Now guys, see, the thing is with add-ons and extensions, depending on the time that you're viewing this video, your options might change, but relatively more or less the process stays the same. And you want to pick a good add-on, like the one that I've picked right now. How do you know if it's relatively a good add-on? Well, as you can see, 43,000 people have downloaded this add-on, and it's relatively got an incredibly high rate. So you can somehow have a guess on whether it's good or not in the near future. For now, block site is actually pretty popular, works pretty well for what we want. So, as I've explained before in installing add-ons before, you click on Add to Firefox, you click Add, and manages your add-on by clicking, so that's, we don't need that, okay, got it. And now you have the add-on. So how does the add-on work? Let's say, for the sake of argument, that I want to block Facebook.com. So we open up Facebook.com, we go on the application, and that's all you need to do to restrict access. So access to Facebook.com will be restricted. Are you sure? Okay. It's restricted. Now let's test this. I'm going to close it. I'm going to open up a new tab and type Facebook again. Access is restricted. So as long as you have this add-on enabled, nobody will be able to access that website unless, again, you manually remove and adjust it. And if you want to remove this, you simply click on this and it's removed. Right? So let's do that again. Removed, unremoved. Pretty straightforward. There is more advanced options about this add-on if you're interested in learning about it more, but that is basically how you block websites on Firefox. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.